Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to take the derivative of another cosine function. Our function is cosine of e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta. So let's go ahead and take the derivative of this function. So I'm going to write it in the derivative form. So we want to take the derivative here. It's going to be d over d theta of cosine of e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta. Okay. All right. So we already know the identity that the derivative of cosine theta d over d theta of cosine theta equals negative sine theta. Okay. Now the derivative of cosine of u, where u is a function of theta, is going to be, we're going to apply the chain rule here. It's going to be negative sine of u times du over d theta. Okay. So here our u is, in this equation, in the first derivative, the u is equal to e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this function into our chain rule right here and go ahead and simplify after that. So it's going to be d over d theta of cosine of e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta equals negative sine of e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta times the derivative of u, which is equal to d over d theta of e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta. Okay. So the derivative of cosine of u equals negative sine of u times the derivative of u. So u equals e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta. Now we have another derivative right here. So we know the derivative of e to the x or e to the theta equals e to the theta, and similarly derivative of e to the u, where u is a function of theta, equals e to the u times du over d theta. So here u equals 3 theta squared plus 5 theta in this derivative right here. So when we take the derivative of this right here, we get negative sine of e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta times the derivative of e to the u equals e to the u, which is e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta times the derivative of 3 theta squared plus 5 theta. Okay, so we applied the chain rule here as well, and we got this. And now we go ahead and simplify it further. So we got negative sine of e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta times e to the 3 theta squared plus 5 theta times the derivative of this is, the derivative of 3 theta squared is 6 theta, plus derivative of 5 theta is just 5. So this is our final answer. So hopefully this helps.